Okay, hello, fellas, and welcome once again, guys. I'd like to start out by thanking everybody for all purchases made this evening, guys. And we're gonna get right to it, fellas. The time is about 8:40. You see it listed there up in the right-hand corner, guys. And I also have a sheet here just so you're aware the video is current and that you're at the correct auction, guys. And as always, if you need help with anything at all, any questions or whatever, guys, just hit me up. I'll be more than happy to help. And be sure to check out current breaks too, guys. I got some neat football ones coming up. I got the new limited, some college stuff. Gonna be pretty sweet, guys. All over the weekend, I'll be doing those. And of course, all cards will ship with this product, guys. And like I said, thank you once again, fellas. And I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna get to it, guys. Best of luck to everybody. And we'll begin. And it'll be, a decent amount of packs. So what I'll do is, since they're all being shipped, guys, I'll go through it pretty quickly. And stop at the relevant cards. Okay, guys, there's the empty box, just to confirm. And like I always do, let's just, it only takes a second, we'll chop these so I don't damage them, opening them. And be sure to check out current breaks too, guys. Like I said, I have some pretty cool football ones up. And I'll have more baseball, I believe, tomorrow. Tomorrow night. Maybe some Bowman Chrome. Never seen this product yet, guys. I heard it's awesome. We're looking for, I believe, 4 autographs, I think. 4 autos. So, okay, guys, here we go. Best of luck to everybody. Oh, yeah, they are neat, man. Check these out. Milwaukee, Chicago, and first class 2014 to Chicago, Stinnett. And that's also numbered, guys. What's that numbered? 2, looks like a hundo. Very nice. 100. Draft class, Cincinnati, San Diego. Not bad. Refractor in the first pack. We need those autographs, though. We need some refractor autographs. That would be nice. And this camera hates chrome cards, as you all know. Kansas City, and oh, a gold. Very nice. This will be going to the Brewers, and that is numbered 9 of 9. Is that 9 of 9? Yes. Wow. Very nice. Wow. Pretty cool. Gold. And Pittsburgh. There's Campbell. Los Angeles. And Jake Reed, Minnesota. Wow, so far a ton of color, guys. This stuff looks great. Arizona and Boston. Oakland. Marquise Wilson. Board. Let's roll this. I think the hit's on the back. Chicago. And is that a hit? No, just a refractor for the Dodgers. Just a refractor. Man, these cards are beautiful. And there's the Rockies. New York. And, okay, we got our first auto. Hoffman. Seattle. And our auto going to Cole Tucker. Prospect Signatures Refractor. Wow, very nice. Cole Tucker. Is it numbered? No, it's not. but that will go to Pittsburgh. Very nice, man. Congrats to the Pittsburgh. Cool looking refractor. Come on. All right, Anderson. I think we got our other auto here. Cool. San Fran. New York. Detroit. And going to... Oh, cool. The Brewers. Very nice. Very nice refractor auto. Very cool. Very cool. Okay, guys. Nationals. There's Peyton for New York. Claymore, I think our auto. Another auto, guys. Washington. And going to... Oh, check that out. That's pretty cool, man. To Washington again. Look at that. Awesome refractor. It looks great. Number 2199. 199. Very cool. Okay, guys. Should have one more auto left and hopefully some more color, man. It's been very colorful so far. Okay. Strong. Okay, gold miners. Derek Hill for Detroit. Gold. And Royals, Tigers. Still rolling, guys. 4 packs left. 1 autograph, I believe. Or there should be, I think. There we go. Pittsburgh. And we have for Boston. Wow, very nice. Not numbered, but still very nice. Boston. St. Louis, Cincinnati. Something in this one too, man. I think every pack had a refractor, man. Very cool. Upside down. This one's going to New York. And Derek Campbell for the Phillies refractor. Prism. Come on, buddy. Work with me here, camera. Come on. I apologize about this, guys. You know how it is with these chrome cards. Sometimes it's ridiculous. 2 packs. Should be 1 auto. Colorado. Los Angeles. And another gold miners. David Deal for the Rockies. Nice. Draft class. Oakland, Tampa Bay. Last pack, fellas. Should be an auto, unless I did pull 4 and I'm missing one. Oh, no, there's one. Cool. So let's do this. There's Mr. Tucker again for Pittsburgh. Boston, Pittsburgh, and our hit last autograph, guys. Oh, sweet, man. Bead. Very neat. Let's see if it's numbered. It is not. What's that up in the corner there? Nope. Tyler Bead for the Giants. Very nice. And that was last base. Okay, guys, that does it for tonight. Like I said, thanks so much, fellas. And if anybody has any questions, hit me up right away. All these cards will ship, guys. Thank you so much and hope to see you back soon.